谢你。你好吗？我很好，我也很好，谢谢你。我们是同学会，我们会说普通话。我们是同学会，我们会说普通话。你好吗？我很好，谢谢你。我也很好，再见。你好吗？我很好，我也很好，谢谢你。你好吗？我很好，我也很好，谢谢你。我们是同学会，我们会说普通话。我们是同学会，我们会说普通话。你好吗？我很好，谢谢你。我也很好，再见。Oh, that was good. Sorry about that. It's a cold morning. My fingers are getting a bit cold, so they're not quite getting all the notes right. I'll just put Bluey the guitar away. Okay, let's have a look at our vehicle cards. So see how you remember them. Okay, do you remember? I'll just cover the name up. Do you remember what this is? Okay, people used to ride these. Of course, we know it's a horse. So this is Ma. Ma. Okay, I'm going to test you. I'm going to cover up the name. I won't cover up the characters though. What do you think this one is? Chuan. Chuan. Okay, you ready for the next one? Okay, this is one of the tricky ones because it sounds similar to another one. Let's have a look. Ho che. Ho che. Very good, well done. Okay, this one's the easy one. We made this last week, remember? Which I think I've got a copy of it. Che. Che. Let's have a look. Do you guys remember making this last week? Actually, I must say I've been receiving a few photos of people who have been making these. Well done. It's great to see your work, and people have coloured it in too. Made them look really good. So well done. You guys have done a terrific job. Excellent stuff. Okay, let's keep going. A few more to go for vehicles. I'll cover up the name. Nearly everyone has one of these. Let's have a look. 自行车, 自行车. Excellent. Some of you might take one of these or have to hop on one of these to get to school. 公车, 公车. Okay, let's have a look. This is the other difficult one. Sounds similar to the one for train, except the tone line is slightly different. 候车, 候车. And here's the last one. Whoops, you nearly saw the words there. I'll just cover them up this time. Okay, do you remember? What I really like about this one is you've got the character here for fly, and it almost looks like a flying seahorse or something like that. Look, if you can imagine it, it's got some wings on the side there. And this character here, this is the character for machine. So in Chinese, it literally is a flying machine. And in English, we call it an aeroplane. And when we look at the words and how to say it, it says Feiji, Feiji. Okay, now I have some words to introduce to you as well. So let's have a look. Now this is my Velcro word chart. The first 4 words make part of a sentence, and the last 2 words are some words we can use to change things around with. So let's have a look. Je, 是, 我, 的. And then down here we've got ni and ma. Okay, let's take a look at these ones first. Je, 是 is this is. 我. We all know this one. This means me. If you add de on the end, all of a sudden you have my. je, 是, 我的. This is my. Now, we can change things around. Actually, I'll just take these two words off first before we start changing things around. So, if I was going to talk about a Fiji, I would say 这是我的飞机. This is my plane. 这是我的火车. Okay, now let's change things. I'll do one more, sorry. 这是我的公车. Okay. Now, I can change things around a little bit. If I take off 我 and I put on 你, I've changed it to je, 是你的, which is this is 你. Now, 你 means you. But if you add de on the end of that, you got 你的, which means your or yours. je, 是你的. Now, we can have this is your bus. 这是你的公车. Okay, whoops, sorry, I nearly dropped that one. This is your bicycle. 这是你的自行车. This is your car. 这是你的车. Now, let's add one more thing. If I add ma at the end, I'm just going to add it down here so then we have a bit of space to put a picture here. Now you have changed everything. Instead of saying this is your, as soon as you add ma on the end, you're turning this into a question. So let's have a look. Just like this. We have 这是你的车. This is your car. But now, 这是你的车吗? It's like saying, is this your car? 这是你的车吗? Good. Then we have 候车. 这是你的候车吗? And last one. Whoops, there we go. 这是你的船吗? Is this your boat? Okay. Oh, this one's always funny because you say ma twice, except you say it a bit differently. The first ma is ma for horse, then you go ma, meaning this is a question. 这是你的马吗? 这是你的马吗? Is this your horse? Okay. Righty, I'm going to go see what Rudi's up to because I know he's been looking at a few different things and I think there's a few things he'd like to tell us today. So let's go see him. Rudi, here we go. 你好，同学。你们好。Oh, very good. 早上好. Okay. Let's get your hair right. Oh, okay, you've got to wash your hair. Oh no, not orangutan soap. We haven't used orangutan soap for a little while. Oh no, I don't want it. Oh, gee. Okay, thank you. Rightio, Rudi. So, Rudi, we're just talking about vehicles and different things. So, did you want to say a few things to us? 对. 我有车. 我有, I have. You have 车, a car. 你有车吗? 对, 我有车. Rudi has a car. Anything else? 我有飞机. He has a Fiji. He has a 我有飞机, I have a plane. 你有飞机吗? 我有飞机, 对. Okay. Oh, let's ask him something. I just want to make sure. 对不起, Rudi. Excuse me, Rudi. 对不起, Rudi. 这是你的飞机吗? Boo. Boo. So this isn't your plane. Boo. 不对. So not correct. Okay, so this is not his plane. Alright, I'm going to try something else. 对不起, Rudi. Je cherche ni de chemin. Boudre, boo. So not boo. So this is not his car. Rudi, I don't think you have a car. And I don't think you have a plane. The other day you're telling me you had a canoe. And you even have a tractor. I don't believe any of it. Whoa-yo! Okay, I think I've really done it with Rudi this time. I'll have to check up on him in a moment. Rudi, okay, all right, I'll come and find you.